look something on this is like a boardwalk. Walk out on it.
Oh, so I never something similar to like how show the other time.
Yeah.
The board place, the board structure, with the board then. I don't know, right? It look like it or still?
No man. So reveal. Alright, you see why I see both of them back up on the side?
Yeah.
You can walk all the way up to the end. You see end is it?
Mm-hmm.
You can walk all the way up to the end. How much? And then
No, I want to get the fix.
how much are you guys in the box of ammo for?
What color?
19.
Glock 19? Glock 19? It's $37.
You buy a box.
Are you guys paying all together, separate?
Trying for them to pay separate.
I could do everything on one bill if you want to split it 3 ways. Are you all buying the same things or separate?
What can I get for you, sir?
9.
1 box of 9? Which target?
Give me.
You got your IDs?
Alright, so. You got Susan no more? Yeah. I'll change up a lot.
Okay.
Susan. Yeah.
I shoot Susan.
Let me get 2 Susan. 530 blue. Let me get 2 of that. And
You have
100
ammo?
Bitcoin. No.
Okay.
2.530 blue?
No, give me 3. You know what? Give me
I put 3 Susans on 2.530 blue.
give me 3 of that.
3 and 3.
Yeah. And then yeah, you guys are out of B27. Crap.
Alright. Eyes and ear protection for you.
Yeah. Yes.
Do you need it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Earplugs or earmuffs?
Give me the ear one.
Most.
$8.99, the red ones.
Oh crap.
Remember,
I forgot.
we
Yeah,
stopped
COVID.
renting a year ago. If you want this is $1. If you want that, $8.99.
Yeah, give me that.
This?
$1 for both or?
No. $2.99 the glasses, $1 the earplugs.
All of these at home.
Man, I'm the COVID thing seriously.
Y'all need one. You all need glasses.
So how much
You
cost?
need them off your mouth. So we're gonna split this bill 3.
Prescription glass?
Yeah.
I can do it.
If you're shooting, the shell flying can scratch your glasses and those
Oh, that's fine. I'm going to change it anyway.
So far for you, that's all, sir?
Yeah. So we're gonna split this.
5104 for you.
No. We're gonna do it separate?
Yeah.
Be separate?
Yeah, we have one.
Oh.
5104 for you.
Friend, I'm rich. I can't believe it. Crap.
Well, I told him he didn't come off like rough, but they thought he did, so I was telling him he has to be like that or else nobody listens. There's nobody, if you don't go like that, they don't listen to it.
It's gonna expensive.
Golf streets and movie doils and flowers.
Yeah. Let me get some coffee too.
How much you supposed to get over? How much you
This is all I want.
supposed to get over?
You asked me for a coffee, I bet.
How much you supposed to get over?
Because I'm
Listen.
And
the nicest guy of the world, like very different.
I've been coming here for the last 5 years.
Every day
for 40
And since I got in the academy, I stopped shooting here.
No, separate.
Let's go to Okeechobee. But because my friends are in town, I wanted them to shoot.
Yeah.
But I already know you go through hell
50-50.
with these guys in here.
The teacher for today, the big boss, yeah? Oh crap, we just realized something.
Alright, you already whipped
Shoot
them.
with the other one there. This is your one. So this is your...
Why are you ready for going? So, nobody not coming here for supervisor?
No, they normally use high power rifle over here. Because I said, when I come shoot yourself, normally 2-3 hours. Come here, boxes of ammo. Alright. First of all, this means you're going to load it. Okay? It's unloaded. Alright? So I ain't gonna put the phone to the gun. Load the gun by putting the legs. And the gun's loaded. Alright? So I want to have a firm grip on it. So this hand right here, this one. See this finger? Stay up here a lot of times. Alright? Point it forward, have that firm grip. So once you fire, get that kick. Right? So I'm just gonna make you just fire one as a test. As a test. Hold it. Hold it. Right? 2 hands on the gun. Don't get so stiff.
So 2 hands.
2 hands on the firearm.
Do the right hand.
He's gonna come here, push back. Yeah, keep it right there. Finger, take your finger off on the trigger. Do not put your finger on the trigger. You feel relaxed? How you feel? No, come on, we see him look like, you know? Alright, first fire. Do not hit the head. Let's fire. Put your finger, fire. 1, 2, 3, go. Wait, too rough.
Yo!
Wait.
No.
Wait.
What's my fire gun? And well, that one in the jerk is still, but can't work with it still. Feels sweet. You more see when you fire when I see how you move in the streets, you know. Come to say, but see, yo, you see the way you angle it. It's like a brrrr. Like you work like you do you never did the name of the movie? John Wick. You give me a John Wick behavior.
Come on. 5 shots. 5 rounds.
Alright, so holding it.
Holding it. Holding it. Take it. Do not put your finger on the trigger.
Yeah.
At all. No. Get back and receive please. Now your gun is loaded, so it's hot. Once it's loaded, always point down range. Right? Take your finger off. Hold it in front. Now, second one, 2 shots.
Second one.
Yeah. Alright, go to the middle one, 2 shots. Look, use your front sight. Use it. Good. One more. Good. Top right, 2 shots. Good. Good. Last one. Bottom left, 1 shot. Okay, so your hands are going. You see how your hands, if you look on the bottom, you're pointing the gun downwards.
Okay.
So when you go down. Try to keep it up, because when it comes, it kicks back like that.
Okay.
Alright? So that's good. That's really good.
Yeah, cause look how close the center one. It does a little bit above the center.
Let's try Batis to see how much.
Eh?
How Batis is.
Alright, ready?
5 shots Batis.
Yeah.
I will use them stuck on you there.
Matis, I'm not using them stuck on there.
Batis, hold up. Ready? Microman. 2 shots, bottom right.
Bottom right.
2 shots, bottom right. One shot, center. Good. One shot. One shot. One. So how much runs you have left? You sure? All right. But top left, top right. Sorry. One shot. So yeah, killer from Jamaica.
You know?
Me?
Yeah.
No, sir. All right. Good one.
This is going to be a very interesting vlog.
That's so good like you know.
Eh?
That's so good you know.
They said that I'm a baby gun.
We never gone that way.
Yeah.
I know, I'm big rifle than the one.
What's a big rifle?
Oh my god, a baby gun, bro.
That's a baby gun.
Bro. Who gonna call it?
Alright, so I'm like what I can swing. Center, one shot. Top right, 2 shot. Bottom left, 1. Bottom right, 2 shot.
You're gonna have 2 shots.
How much normal hold the night?
I'm gonna rock it up. Fully done. I'm gonna call this feeder. Stop swinging.
Yeah, come see, that's what I'm telling the center one. Come and say, come miss.
Yeah.
But see money, but the target shall mash up. See, you see me? Yeah, put a different one.
Alright, this is Susan. The aim is, if you hit Susan any time at all, you lose a point. Alright?
Yeah, okay.
So we're gonna use Susan, both me, you and Master gonna use Susan. See how she will turn.
Alright.
Alright?
Yeah.
We're only gonna get 10 rounds each with Susan. We have 8. So put the box and put.
Let it ready, right? Not right.
Alright, look. Press, push.
Oh, alright, that's up. Oh, can't come with now. I'm trying to put it in there. I'm going to cut to that part, they said.
Press. No cut out nothing, brother. Press and push. Good, one more. Perfect. How much runs do you have?
Push what it show.
You have 9, you need 1 more.
Push what it show. Right, that's up?
Yeah.
So what they said, oh, this can hold up to 16. Alright. Yeah, bring her back out. Susan. Remember, man, another So far? Go far, how much?
Look at my 10 yards.
Make it see. Yeah, 5 yards good. Ready? I'm ready.
Go get done. I'm not here. Oh, what are you doing?
Wrong on. This.
Thank you. Good. Come on. Don't tell me I'm a gunman. Guy, I did give a shot on her. Target approach.
Fire.
Fire. Fire. Good. Fire. Fire. Hold your composure, you. Do not hit Susan. Fire. 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 Good. Fire. Good. Fire. Good. Fire. Fire. You're empty. So all you go fire if you're empty. You are empty.
No shot at all? Nothing at the top?
The man get excited.
Left, right?
There's nothing left in your weapon.
So order shot the look.
We're gonna tally it up now.
Alright, tally it up.
Have a pen? Have a pen. Pen, I have.
Can I use the phone?
No, the pen. There is one more, the pen.
No.
Perfect.
Give me a weapon to shoot this is like.
I have a marker. Alright. What's that? 10 rounds, right?
How much that?
Yeah, 10 rounds. Cool?
Yeah.
So you had 210, 3 5s, 1 3. Double short, miss.
You know if a 10 or 10. Let's give me a 10 for that one.
Alright, we are 10 feet anyway. 10, 10, 3, 3. That's a miss because look, it went on the. Understand? So that's a miss. So I gave you a 3. So your tally is 5. No, 20 and 15. 15. No, 15.
33.
33, 34.
34. So we get 34.
34 out of 10 rounds.
34 to 10.
How much? 10 rounds. You had 10 rounds, right?
Yeah.
Let's see how much you missed now. You had 1, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. I want alone, not get both.
No.
No,
1,
no,
2,
I'm not asking
3,
one alone,
4,
not catch a
5,
shot.
6, 7, 8. 8. 8.
So,
Mattis, come
that
up.
good or bad? That good or bad?
But
But him dead still.
yeah, I'm dead. You do alright.
Yeah, they're pretty what's up do alright?
No, you do alright. You're big enough.
Yeah, big enough.
Mattis, come up. Catch.
Yeah. John Wick.
John Wick.
John Wick.
How much I work with?
10 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rounds everybody. Come John Wick. Jamaican gun dada. Jamaican good boy. Them dead my dead. Hold on.
I'll make up put a bad man song for that
That's a
part.
bad man, sir.
Boom. Kill them all on road.
Yes, like I said, when I get no information what to cook, I still have wait on over. Can't change something unless we know what to do. You want the picture to be changed? Let me find that camera. Alright, let's see. Oh! Mattis!
What?
Get them!
Oh!
Get them!
Done.
Alright, next time. The real bad man from here. Next time. Oh shit! Oh shit! Right now, Mattis!
Yo,
Boy.
nah lie. Focus this.
1, 2, 3,
Oh my god, look.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fuck lad. Alright. Tally this down. 1, 2, 3. 3. Hold on. Yeah. 1. Okay, so you have 2, 4. Much 5s? 1, 2, 3. 3 5s. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2. 2, 3. 1, 2, 4.
Really? 3, 4.
So make sure it's not cheated.
2, 4, yeah.
2, 4. Big man. Go easy. 10 out of 10 for this. What? Yeah? 10 out of 10 for the all them runs them.
Yeah.
Hit the paper. 10 out of 10 with G.
Alright, you
Alright. What the calculator?
Change the paper. Or one more paper?
Yeah, I get one more Susan. Me, I forgot to, you know. Yeah. I forgot to. No, wow. Rust is still. Yeah, see. I don't want to cheat out the man, I'm numbers.
Oh, so you add it up, right?
Yeah. No, I cheat the man, I'm numbers.
Alright, so what to say? No, I was expecting a more of a probably the type of gun.
Yeah.
You see me? Because it just pow. You see me say yo, bow. Boo! Or nothing like that. So probably just because I type a gun. Why? Yo, to
So
get set.
what do you think? What was the experience like?
Huh?
What was the experience like there so far?
No man, the experience a nice one. Like, you didn't. Come on, I always feel like something in my waist.
Oh.
It feel nice, yeah, I'm not like that. Like it just the experience feel good. But really and truly, that I think doing this again, I would want like a bigger gun. You see me? Because sister that they didn't really want before.
Yeah.
So like even them something them rent like our AR-15 and type of thing.
That's what I was expecting, like AR-15 or M4 or something.
Cause even this, the things that the sound would actually be worse.
Okay, you have an earmuff.
Eh?
You must have in your earmuff initially when we came in.
No, me never have it. Me never have it in with the first shot.
Oh, but it low. Echo.
Yeah.
So, over dollar for me.
Huh?
Over dollar for him.
$1 feet?
So I go for one more, Susan.
You do that. Taxes. Now try my luck, you know? No, somebody have to do my one. Somebody have to do my mouth. Five. So I have to check mine.
It actually named Susan.
So there's a 1, 2,
3 fives. 1, 2, 2, 8.
Okay.
6. 1, 4.
Times 2 are 20. 2 8 is 16. 3 5 is 15. 4 6. How much that? Plus 16 plus
Back.
61. Yeah.
Okay, do me tell them rounds now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11.
How is that?
1, 4. This have to come off good. 10 out of 10, yo. Alright. So, hello. I'm call you right now. Yeah. Place for that.
He has been sure. He has been sure. I'm thinking I'm going to eat it. I'm thinking.
What you say about it? Too bad.
The door.
Put over here. Over here.
Shit.
Oh, so alright. So now go. Supposed to say I go. You can carry it around it?
Yeah. You want what's good? Two shots, go.
The paper you swing too much, you know. People swing, the people just
You
swing.
always have moving targets.
So I must say that is a wrap. And I'll see you again in another one. I'm out. Peace.